We have got here a 1970 Nova. It's got a 496 stroker under the hood. That's going to scoot this little car down the road real well. It's got a 4-speed, it's got a posi rear end, and a gorgeous paint job. This car was restored about 15 years ago. We sold it in 2016 with about 15 or 1,800 miles on it. Gentleman we sold it to very unfortunately passed away, so we've got the car back, and it has over 3,000 miles on it now, but we'll check that in a minute. Here's a book that comes with it with the engine specs for the rebuild, all the receipts and documentation. This is all good stuff. We spent $3,000 servicing the car right here in our own shop, which we'll go over that in a minute as well. So you got a really good-looking, fun hot rod right here. You can go to volocars.com and read all the information, look at pictures top to bottom. That is where you'll find a price tag on every car for sale, along with a monthly payment as well. There's also a Buy It Now button. Can't stress enough that you should hit that button if you see something you really like that just locks it in for you while you're considering the car. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, buckle up, let's go for a spin. Yeah, beautiful color, especially out in the daylight. When she brought the car in, it was a sunny day. It's just like, wow. It's called Ruby Red. And so far at a glance, the body looks amazing, but let's check it out. So it has a metal cowl hood. It fits spot on. The lines are all square. And this thing is straight. I mean, they block this thing straight. It's not ripply at all. Smooth all along the bottom. This is a 15-year-old paint job. It's not shrinking, rusting. Okay, there we go. All straight, no issues down here. The trunk is straight, fits real nicely. No issues with the body there. It is really, really straight. Down along the quarters are nice and clean. This line is dry and straight. There you go, all nice and straight and clean and rust-free. There is a chip in the paint right there. Yeah, this is all great. The body's excellent. It does have a lot of metal flake that's really dancing now that the spotlight's hitting it in certain areas. And it's polished smooth and glossy. It's laid out evenly. Again, standing there looking at the car as a whole, the paint looks perfect. But I did see a few flaws, like that little nick I pointed out. Let's see what else we can find. Windshield's in real nice shape. The trim looks like it was replaced. Oh, I know I've seen some flaws. Here's a little touch-up on the very edge of the door. This trim was replaced. This is all real shiny and straight. Door handles real shiny. The rear glass was probably replaced. That's crystal clear. The trim is real nice. Yeah, I'm not finding many flaws. Yeah, back here, there was one right here. Someone must have slammed the trunk too hard at one time and it touched the body and chipped the paint. That's been touched up. Emblem looks like new. The bumper has the SS panel. All this here looks really sharp, really nice. Here's two chips right here that are touched up. Marker lights look nice. So it has some street drag radials on the back. It's on a set of American torque thrust wheels. They'll polish up a little better. I see they still have polish on the wheels. They didn't even wipe it all off. They're 16-inch. In front, much skinnier. The same type of wheels, same deal. They can be polished up a little nicer, but they're 15-inch. Front end of the car, the bumper, the grille, the lenses, all this looks really sharp. It looks like a 9. So that's the beautiful outside. Let's check out the inside. Okay, let's look inside the trunk. Under the trunk lid in the jamb, painted real nicely. Weather strip was replaced. Clean, dry metal. That's the most important thing. This is not patched up, rusty, clean metal. It's been spray painted with the gray and white spatter finish. Yeah, the body and paint's really cool on this car. I like it. It's like a piece of candy. Check out the door jambs. They're just as glossy as the outside. Weather strips replaced. Sill plates look really good. Door panels, armrest, all that looks like that was replaced when they restored the car. Has a custom instrument panel with a full set of Pro Comp gauges. They're all matching. Why they have a second tachometer, I have no idea. They both work. They're both the same. Dash pad's real nice. It does have a JVC stereo with an auxiliary plug. They painted the metal up inside here. It's all painted up real nicely. New glove box liner. Oh, new ashtray. You got the cigarette lighter, but nothing to put it in. Kick panels, carpets are real nice. Hearst 4-speed, that was replaced by the last owner. Got some nice bucket seats. The cushion's really good in them. They feel real nice. They look real good. They've added retractable 3-point seat belts for the front passengers. Back seat's been reupholstered. Side panels were replaced. It's got some 6x9 speakers in the back. Headliner looks real good. Dome light works. Visors match the headliner. The mirror looks new. Does have a walnut steering wheel, custom wheel. So it's a pretty nice interior. Well, I do apologize. Whoever detailed the motor didn't do a good enough job. We will send it back and have it polished up. But it is after closing time on Friday, so we're going to push through this. But that's a 496 stroker motor, complete balanced rotating assembly. The heads were completely gone through. It's got a high performance timing chain set up in it. Up on top is the Endurashine Edelbrock, so it's like chrome. A giant 850 double pumper Holleycarb. MSD ignition system with a billet distributor. Some nice valve covers that'll look much nicer once they're polished. A set of coated Hooker competition long tube headers. And then the whole engine bay is painted up real nice. Again, got some water spots and dirt that will clean up. So the front of the motor, we just put on new pulleys, got them all lined up real nice. They're aluminum. It's got a billet timing cover. We put on a new water pump. That's what started it all. Electric fan on the radiator. It's an aluminum radiator with an aluminum overflow. Got a polished alternator down there. Power brakes with a chrome booster. So this is going to look a whole lot different once they detail it up. That's got the sound that sells these cars. So underneath this car has really clean, dry metal. The floors, the braces, the rockers, it looks original to me, not cut up, not tampered with. Nice, solid underside. So when they restored it, it does look like they went through the steering and suspension. That stuff was replaced. Actually, I found a receipt that has poly graphite bushings in the front. Powder-coated frame connectors tie the front to the back. That helps prevent that body twisting. The rear suspension was rebuilt. The springs, the bushings, the shocks, has Caltrack tubular control arms back there, traction bars, as a sway bar was added. The brake system was completely redone. Oh, give me a second here. I might have to lube up those hinges a little bit. Disc brakes at all four wheels. Great sounding exhaust with a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. Fuel system was replaced, including the tank. Looking up at the motor, has a high torque starter. It's a Muncie 4-speed transmission. Recently, Hearst competition linkage was replaced. And it's a Ford 9-inch heavy-duty, rear end in the back with 350 posi gears. So there you have it. It'll go back in the shop. Well, I'm going to read you the service we already did do to it. I'll have them lube those hinges and detail the motor. We spent $3,025. We replaced the water pump and all the pulleys, tightened the valve covers, replaced the ashtray and the hazard knob. We repaired the horns, replaced the fuel gauge, repaired turn signals, hooked up the heater cord. It was bypassed. We tested it first. Recalibrated the speedometer so it's accurate. Replaced some rear window channels so the windows roll up and down smoothly. We serviced the brake, new master cylinder, rear hose, rear pads, resurfaced the front. So car got some service. It's ready to be enjoyed. Go to volocars.com. That's where the salesman can help answer your questions. Getting it delivered to your door, getting it financed, they can help with all that. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon to be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.